Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I just thought let me do a follow-up video on the video that I shared yesterday. Yesterday I showed you the trades that I was in. Basically I'm on trading silver, I'm trading gold, I'm trading Euro USD. I haven't touched NAS 100 I think in the past week, but yeah, I'm on silver. So this is currently what's happening on silver. Remember, I had several trades. If you watched yesterday's video, I had several trades on silver and gold and Euro USD. I've removed some of those trades. That's what you do as the market reaches your levels. When you're trading like I trade, supply and demand, support and resistance, whatever you want to call it, channels, I love to call them channels, but whatever you call whatever you do, this kind of trading. By the way, the system, if you want to download it, the link to download of the link to the blogs is in the description box below. You should go to the blogs and you'll be able to find it. Unfortunately, I don't know why YouTube is doing that. When I link straight to the page that is a system, I'm finding that YouTube is coming and removing those links from my videos. I don't know why, but when I link direct to just the homepage of the blog, YouTube is not deleting the links. I don't know why. I don't know. Really, it's a funny thing that I've noticed. So I get notifications. We've removed this link. We've removed this link. So I've just decided to stop linking direct to the page with the system, but just link direct to the homepage of the blog. Then from there, you'll find where to download the system. The system, how to use it, the settings. I've done several videos already on this channel. You just need to just look for those videos, really. So I don't want to waste your time and going over things that I've talked about previously, because there are people who have been here with me on this channel and they'll be like, why is this guy keeping on repeating the same thing, the same thing, the same thing? So look for those videos if you are wondering the settings that I have and to download this system. So as I was saying, how I trade my system, basically swing trading on support and resistance, supply and demand channels, whatever you want to call it, is I have several TPs. I know some people only have a single TP when they are trading. That's good and fine as long as you are making money. Don't mind me. But because I hold trades for a very long time, I actually have several TPs. So because I entered here, so there, this was my first TP, and this will be my second TP there, and around here will be a third one, around here will be a fourth one, around here will be a fifth one. It goes on like that. So as I reach certain points, I decide to close some trades so that I can just take out some money from the markets. Well, I don't move the market. I might be making money, but I don't move the market, so I don't want the market to turn against me and lose all the profit that I would have made. So I have points where I'll be taking out a part of my positions and I'll be taking out my trades. Now I've taken out many of my trades at this point, so this now is just a free trade that I'm just trading to see how far it goes. Currently we passed at 22.50, so maybe silver we're going to come to $22 somewhere around here, which will be good. And if we drop down further, that will be good. I don't know, that will be good. I'll never say no to money, eh? So let's see what happens when we come to this $22 level there. And gold, this is my daily chart on gold, and gold has been dropping as well since yesterday, and you can see I've moved my stop loss to break even, and gold is on 1960 currently. Let's see what gold wants to do. Does it want to go back up? It doesn't matter to me now because this is a free trade. This is a free trade. I've removed my money when we reached this point, so this is a free trade. And the same thing on Euro USD. Euro USD, this is what we have on Euro USD. Let me go down to the 4 hourly. Remember yesterday, in yesterday's video, I actually showed you that I can also trade channels and support and resistance. Supply and demand doesn't always need to go horizontally. It can also go slanted like this. Maybe I'm now doing fake science, fake trading, I don't know what you call it, but do you see what's happening here? That the market comes above this and it plays around this area, comes below this and plays around this area, goes above and seems to be holding this middle point there. So that's why I held well, when the market came here, I closed part of my trades. Now I have this free trade that I'm hoping that either the market will drop down, or if it will push up. Really, for me, it doesn't matter because I've taken most of my money off the table. This is just a free trade. Again, like I said in yesterday's video, if you're doing something else and it's making you money, don't mind about my system, don't mind about the way I trade, don't mind about the videos, about whatever I'm talking about. If you're doing something and it's making you money, continue doing what you are doing. Don't pay attention to people who are flipping accounts overnight. Don't pay attention to people who are putting their whole account on the line and they are doing all those funny things that they're posting on YouTube and on social media. Do what works for you. There are 1,000, if not 1,000,000 ways of trading the market. As long as you're making money, continue doing what you're doing. So that's that for somebody who probably think they need to drop everything that they are doing and they need to start copying me. No, you don't need to copy how I trade. As long as you are making money with what you are doing, make money with that. Me, this is what works for me, so this is what I'm sticking with. This is what I do. Okay, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. By the way, somebody asked me about the NAS 100 system. I think I'll post it on another video. Really, it's almost same thing, guys. It's really almost same thing. By the way, if you go to the blog and you download the system, feel free to play with the settings. I developed the system myself. I've given it out for free. Feel free to go in there and play with your own settings, I don't mind. You don't owe me anything. That's why I gave it out for free. You don't owe me anything. So yeah, just thought, let me just put that out there. Seems let's see if silver is going to bounce from here, because I have a channel that's going on here. Let's see if silver wants to do this, or if it wants to come down and test this level, $22, and maybe around this level as well. But we'll see. I think let me do some more videos and then see how this trade goes. But as far as making money with this one, I'm actually okay, because several of my trades are now actually closed. This is just free money, just for the fun of it, just to see how much more I can just add in. At the moment, I'm good for about 1.8, and gold is good for about 1k. So you know, no more forex pairs. After some time you decide, are they worth it or not, because the same effort that you put in normal forex pairs, you should probably be putting it in gold and silver, and you probably would be making more money. That is, if for any reason you don't want to trade what is it called, the indices, as well as the synthetic indices. There is synthetic indices, also the boom and crash, volatility 75, step index, range break, and stuff like that. So if you don't want to get into all of that, and you don't want to get into US 30, NAS 100 and stuff, but you feel you are good enough a trader, you feel you are good enough, but you are not making as much money trading normal forex space, just switch to gold and silver. You'll be paid for your effort. Just switch to gold and silver. Silver, silver, silver. If I haven't said it again this year, silver, silver, silver. Silver pays more by pip value. You can see it's 1.8, the same lot size with gold. And silver does not need to move much for you to make money, but it's also a danger because you can also easily blow your account. So yeah, let me leave you with that thought. Otherwise, guys, I'll continue just updating you on these trades just to see what happens. If there are other opportunities that come up in here, I'll actually take more trades, and hopefully we push this thing down here. But we'll see. We'll see. Guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.